have contact. It's definitely a submarine shape at 040.
Oh my God, that's it. Enhance the imaging.
We found the wreck.
This is the location of the sunken submarine. We have a narrow window before the storm hits.
Coordinates locked in, Captain.
Good. Deploy the recovery vehicles immediately.
Goodbye, everyone. We'll be back soon.
Wish us luck on the recovery!
We have arrived at the coordinates. Attention all hands. Let the descent begin.
Okay, swing it out now. Watch the splash zone. Cable running hot.
Stick to the dive plan exactly as briefed. The currents around the wreck are unpredictable.
Understood, ma'am.
All right, gear up.
All right, steady on the winch. Lower her down slowly.
Copy that. Lowering to the target depth.
Roger that. Control. Lift sequence initiated. Tension rising as expected.
We did it! We actually did it! Mission accomplished, everyone. Great job! She's finally home! Secure the forward line quickly now. Watch the tension on that winch.
Aye, securing the clip, boss.
Get that starboard pontoon clipped in.
All lines secured. Copy that. Begin the tow. Slow ahead.
Look at the pitting here near the ballast tanks.
Logging severe corrosion, section 4. We'll need a full structural analysis.
The successful recovery marks a historic moment in deep-sea salvage, bringing an end to decades of speculation.
I can't believe they brought her up. Look at the hull damage.
40 years down there, it's a miracle she's intact.
This is going to be the biggest job we've ever done. Meticulous work. The naval vessel restoration is approved. Well done, everyone.